Hello, so today we're going to talk about Kurzweil or converting to Kurzweil, and we're going to do that through the automator and manually. First, we're going to talk about converting to Kurzweil manually. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the My Computer icon. Then you will go to the WS Task Parenzo link. Then you will click eTexts. Type in the author's name in the search bar, and for the purpose of this one we will be doing quotes between the world and me. And the first thing that you're going to do before you do anything else, before you convert anything into Kezi, is you're going to create a new folder. And in that folder you are going to name it Kezi Unedited. As you can see in this folder, we already have the Kezi edited. But that is because this book has already been worked on, and for the purpose of this video, we are just gonna create another one because it's a small book and it's easy to demonstrate. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is, after you create a folder that says Kezi Unedited, is you're gonna go to the PDF file, because the PDF should already be broken up. And once you open that, you're going to open the first one. And then once you do that, you will click the File button, go to Print. You will change it to the Kezi Virtual Printer. And then after you change it to the Kezi Virtual Printer, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Properties. And you're going to want to make sure under the paper quality, you're going to want to change it to color. And that is one of the most important steps, is you want to make sure that you change it into color. And then after you do that, you just hit Print. And then momentarily Kurzweil should be popping up. Once you do that, it's going to show you this recognition page range. And it should just show you the pages. For this, there's only 2 pages in this section. So you just click OK. Alright, and now that it is done going through that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Save As, so you're going to go under the Parenzo link again, eText, Kezi Unedited, and what you want to do is you want to make sure when you save it into the folder, you want to make sure that you put the author, you want to put the author's last name, underscore, and then the title of the book, which is Between the World and Me. And then you put another underscore, and then you put the section that you did. And for this, we just did the back matter. And then after doing that, you will hit Save. And then that portion is done. And then to show you again, you're going to go to the next section. So you will hit the front matter. You will click front matter. You will open that up. Again, you will go to File, Print. It's already in the Kezi virtual printer. Again, you will just double check to make sure that it's still in color. You will click OK. Click Print. Go back to Kurzweil. One of the things that I just forgot to mention, if Kurzweil isn't already open, generally when you click print, when you're doing it manually, is it will open Kurzweil and it will ask you to put in your login information. All you have to do is just put in your login information and then just follow the same steps. So then when you get to the recognition page range, you just click OK. And then now you can see that it's done. You go to File, Save As. Again, you're going to go through here, you're going to go to the e-text. You can just go here and type in the author's name for the book that you are working on. Make sure you select Kezi unedited. And again, make sure when you are about to save, that the file name is the author _ title of the book and then the section or chapter of the book. So that would make this one Coates _ between the world and me _ front matter, and then save. And that is all you do for the manual, converting to Kurzweil. So now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how to Now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how to convert to Kurzweil using the automator. And what you're going to do again is, for the first step, is you're going to select the author of the book that you're working on. You're just going to type that in. There's already a Kezi unedited folder here that I created earlier, but the same thing is, what you want to do is you want to go in, you want to create the new folder, put in Kezi unedited, and then you're going to minimize this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the K3 Automator folder. You're going to click this link, which is the application, the K3 Automator application. You're going to click Run. And what you're going to do is you're going to see the source hierarchy. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Browse. You're going to hit Parenzo, eTexts, and you're going to scroll down until you find Queen, which I've already scrolled past. Here you go. So you're going to open it. So I mistakenly hit a couple of the wrong buttons, but what you're going to do is you're going to select for the source hierarchy button, you're going to hit the PDF file, and you're going to want to use that one. And what you want to make sure is that you want to make sure that there are no hyphens within the source hierarchy. So just double check and make sure that there are no hyphens. And then for when you go to the next one, which is the destination hierarchy, you're going to again hit browse. And then you are going to go to WS tasks. And then again, e-texts. And then you're going to put it in the Kezi unedited folder. And then you click OK. And then what you do for the username and password is all you're going to do is you're just going to put in your Kurzweil information. So just type that in, your username and password. And then all you're going to do is once you do that, you're just going to click OK. Well, you're going to unclick log activity, and then you are going to click OK. And then from there, you pretty much just let the automator do its thing, which it should be done. Relatively shortly because this is a small book. And so now that this is complete, as you can see, this is a pretty simple step. The automator is your friend, and it can definitely be useful for when you are doing bigger books. So I would definitely recommend using that. So once you're done with the automator, all you have to do is exit out because it automatically saves things. So, and sometimes it varies on the length of time that it takes to do the book. Obviously, like the bigger the book, the longer it'll take for the automator to work and convert. So once you are done with that, you just need to exit out. And thank you. I hope you learned something from this video.